Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Today's video is going to be a Bath & Body Works fall haul part 2. Yes, I'm back with part 2 of the Bath & Body Works haul. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It has some online items and it has some in-store items, like it's all over here. Like it's a lot, y'all. Like it's a lot online. Big old bag in stores. I had to put it in my SAS bag. It was so many mini bags. Whew. Okay. Where do we start? Okay, let me start off with my online item because it is broken. They're going to be sending me a replacement, but it's the pumpkin patch. How cute is this? The pumpkin patch candle holder. And I know you're like, girl, it ain't broke. Sis. Yes, it is. Look at that. It broke in shipping. But it looks just like this. It is really, really pretty. I'm so happy to have it. They're going to be sending me a replacement. They told me I could keep the old one. And so since the old one is in okay shape in the front, I can put it back here where I have that bag sitting right now. And then put my little candle in it. And boom, you know, no one can see the cracked area. Then I'll have a second one. So I'll have 2 of them. But this normally goes for, ooh, pieces. See, even pieces are still falling out of it. It goes for $24.50 is the regular price of it. $24.50. I actually only paid $16 because I did it with the 10 off 30, but it is really pretty and I don't regret the purchase. And I thank Bath & Body Works for sending me a replacement because I was highly upset because I've been searching for this thing. So I was actually happy to finally get it. And I did go through Rakuten, used to be Ebates, to get cash back on that one because I did that one online. Now let's get into the massive in-store purchases. I'm going to start with like recent sales they just had and then work my way back. So they were doing $4.95 body spray day last week. And if you don't follow me on IG, you need to. It's TMR2886. Again, that's TMR2886. So I can keep you up to date when Bath & Body Works has sales and what sales they're doing of the day. But did you just hit my lipstick bag? Rude. But I did pick up 3 sprays and I did use my Ibotta. That way I got cash back for the purchases. Anytime I'm in store, I use Ibotta to get cash back. So I'll leave the link for that too. Because with this transaction, I got how much cash back? I think with this transaction, I got like 76 cents. So I was going to buy this stuff anyway, so I might as well get some of my money back. But I got this Lily and green tea. I'm so surprised. I actually like this one. The first time around, I didn't like it. I was all about the peony, midnight peony. But when I smelled it, because Charlotte at the store and on La Frontera, she's like one of my besties at the store. Hey, Charlotte. She was like, oh, you guys tried this. You gotta try this. And I smelled it again. I was like, oh, it's all right. So I did get this one. I picked up a sugar cranberry cider. Surprised the heck out of me. Surprised myself that I picked this one up, but it smells all right. It's nice. It's a really nice scent and the packaging is so cute. And of course, we all know what else I picked up. A toasted praline and pear, because toasted praline and pear is life to me. It is my jimmy jam. I absolutely love it. So if you can get your hands on the toasted praline and pear line, you definitely need it. Like, I'm so excited for the next fall set to come out. Like, I'm like, okay, I'm done seeing this one. Where's the next one? Because I want to get a buy 3 get 3, but I do want to wait till the next line comes out. Yes, I should have showed this one first, but oh well. But they were doing a duo plug-in deal. Like, so if you bought the duo plug-in, the duo plug-in looks just like this. This is the fancy sparkly one. This one's normally $16.50, but they were on sale for $10. So you got this for $10. You got to pick 2 bulbs that you got for free. And I got like 56 cents cash back on this purchase, I think. Or was it 70 cents? I can't remember, but I got cash back on it too with my Ibotta. But I got a pumpkin apple as my free wallflower, and I got a caramel apple too. I was meaning to get 2 caramel apples, but once I got in the car, I was like, oh, pumpkin apple, that little bit of spice with that caramel apple that has that caramel sweet note. this might be a good pair. Maybe this happened for a reason. So I'm going to be putting these two together as we get into fall. I haven't been burning a lot on my fall scents. I did burn Cider Lane. I will have a review on Cider Lane, but I haven't burnt all of my fall scents yet. It's just because I'm still trying to enjoy summer, even though I'm pushing the new to you. But the new is fall, so I have to keep pushing it to you. But I haven't really used much of my fall stuff. Let's get on to this huge bag. So they were doing so many different deals. They were doing like 350 wallflower days. They were doing the buy two get two with the candles, and I took advantage of the buy two get two, but not for the 3 wicks. I got them for the minis. Well, I call them minis, but they're the 1 wicks, because it was like you would get 4 of the candles plus 1 pocket bag. It will come out to $20 when you use the $10 off. And then of course I got my cash back, which was $1 something per transaction. So it worked out pretty nice. So I'm gonna show you those in a minute, but I wanna get the wallflowers off the way because they're on top and I wanna put them up. I got the pumpkin apple, another pumpkin apple. Lord, I think I went pumpkin apple crazy because the soap smelled so good. I got the pumpkin cupcake, just like that. I got the pumpkin pie because the pumpkin pie candle is online exclusive, so I am not getting any online exclusives. So I went ahead and just got it in the wallflower. Pumpkin pie wallflower. I got the pumpkin peanut brittle wallflower. I just love the little tags on them. They are really cute. I like the tags. Another pumpkin cupcake. I love wallflowers, y'all. I have like 13 throughout my house. Okay, I love wallflowers. I just do. Another pumpkin peanut brittle. And I think it's some more in here. Yeah, it's 2 more in here, or maybe 3. No, it's only 2 more, and one spilled out a little bit because I smell it, but they're both the same scent. They're in Sweater Weather, if you guys can see that. Let me try to bring it back up. There we go. Sweater Weather. I got 2 of them because Sweater Weather is my jam as we go fall to winter. So as we're getting into going into winter and in winter, I love Sweater Weather. I don't know what it is about the scent, but I absolutely love it. So that's my last 2 wallflowers there. Now we're going to get into what's in here. Oh yeah, I did the pocket bag deal. So I have pocket bags, and of course, like I told you when I did the 1 wick candles, that I had to do the pocket bags as well. So I got Crisp Morning Air. Surprised me how much I actually love Crisp Morning Air. It is so good. So I got a Crisp Morning Air. I got pumpkin cupcake, which I am going to go back and get 5 of these for $6 because I love pumpkin cupcake anything, and I just wish the whole line would come back. Sweater Weather, of course, because Sweater Weather is bomb. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you should be able to see it. And I got champagne apple and honey. I actually got 2 of those because I really do enjoy the scent. And I got this one. It's called Berry Galactic Swirl. Thought it was cute, and that's why I bought this one. So yeah, that's all the pocket bags that I got. I think that's all of them. It might be some more pocket bags in this last bag. I don't think so, but I don't know. But I did show y'all the last set of 4 candles that I got. So y'all already seen those, which had the Cider Lane and everything. But I went back again and I got 4 more. So I got Flannel. Like, how cute is the packaging on the 1 wicks? Like, these are gonna go so cute in the bathroom for fall. So flannel is really good. Let me see if it has the notes on here. It says fresh bergamot, heirloom mahogany, soft musk. Definitely that defines flannel. I got the Eucalyptus Mint and Rain. I actually got this one too, and when they were doing like the sample candles, they were doing for $2 at the SAS, so I got a $2 one of these too. And the notes in this is eucalyptus, spearmint leaves, fresh spring rain, and this smells really good. So I had to pick it up, even though it wasn't like a Halloween or, you know, a fall scent kind of thing. I did pick up vanilla pumpkin marshmallow because I already have you know, the pumpkin cupcake 3 wick. So I figured I'd get some of the 1 wicks in this one so it can go in the bathroom. It smells so good. I love it. And again, the packaging is super cute. And the scent notes on this is does it say? Okay, Tahitian vanilla, pumpkin spice, homemade marshmallow, drizzle caramel. I don't get no drizzle caramel. Let me see. Maybe a little bit, but not a lot of caramel in it. Maybe that's why that's the last note. And I got 1 more of the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. So that's what I got on the buy 2 get 2, add a pocket bag, get it for $20 plus cash back with iPod. And the last transaction, I just put it in this cute White Barn bag because a lot of the candles, they are from White Barn, but the bag's cute and fancy because, you know, we got a White Barn. Okay, anyway, these wallflowers though I got from the outlet mall. So yeah, I got Crisp Morning Air 2-pack because I do like Crisp Morning Air. It's really nice, really clean. It's Crisp Fall Breeze, White Oak, Golden Amber Woods, and they have the 2 packs for $7. That's why when they do the sale online, they're like, oh, 3 for $21. I'm like, well, that's something they do at the outlet every day, so whatever. So plus you get to use a coupon, plus there's no shipping. Then I got the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint. Love this fall going into winter. I got the, y'all gonna think I'm crazy, okay? I know y'all are. The Pumpkin Apple 2-pack. So wait a minute. Okay, hold on. Okay, I did the pumpkin apple way too much. Didn't I, y'all? Hold on. I swear I bought, y'all, I bought the 1 weights in pumpkin apple, and I already have pumpkin apple though in the 2-pack. So y'all, 2 of these is going back. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm gonna tell y'all right here on cam. See, that's when you know you own too much, because you do buy too much, and I already have 2 of them. So these 2 pumpkin apples are going back to the store, and I'm going to trade them out for caramel apple. So these 2 will be going back. I didn't know I had so many of them because I have another one in here too that I bought of the pumpkin apple. I didn't know I already had a 2-pack. See, I need to slow down. I know I do. I got Farmstead apple, and that's just Macintosh apple, pear, and oak. So I got that, and that's what I thought I had instead of pumpkin apple. That's why I bought so many pumpkin apple singles, but I don't like pumpkin apple that much to have that many, so that's going back. And I got the Blackberry Raspberry Vanilla. This is so good, and this is in body care too, so this is really, really good. So I picked that up, and I think everything else, yes, everything else is candles, yes. And I got these at the White Barn wine cellar. Boho Guru, she put me on to wine cellar. It smells so good. It smells so good on cold. She said it's kind of a weak thrower, but it's still good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. The notes on this is mulled apple, fresh figs, cedar wood with essential oils. Y'all need that one. It smells good. And I got it when they were doing candles on sale, because of course I'm not gonna pay full price for the candles. My all-time favorite, pumpkin peanut brittle. Sean did say this year, like, some of the wicks weren't working well. They were very wonky, and that it kept getting drowned out. So I hope I don't have that experience. I'm hoping not, but I'm gonna burn the new ones first anyway, because I like my older ones packaging better, so I won't be burning those. But this is crunchy caramel brittle, salty peanuts, toasted pumpkin seeds with essential oils. Love this candle, all-time fave for fall. The cute little White Barn boxes, aren't they so cute? On candle day I'm gonna get a whole bunch of them when I go candle day shopping, because I'm gonna go to the White Barn. I'm gonna go to outlet first, then I'm gonna go over to the White Barn. But I'm gonna get these boxes for the teachers at the school when I do, like, you know, the stuff you give the teachers, the presents for Christmas. And then look, your candle's so packaged, perfectly packaged candle. It is so cute. Can I get a thumbnail on that? Come on. Yeah, so this is salted butterscotch. Yeah, this is salted butterscotch. Oh, Smells so good. And because I wasn't able to get, I think it was butterscotch toffee, I'm happy I was able to get this one. And the notes is warm brown sugar, sweet cream, pinch of sea salt, melted butter with essential oils. Happy place. Oh, this makes me so happy. I really like that one. And the last one, where are you? Is this candle right here. Again, how cute is that to open your candle top and see that? Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And this candle is pumpkin cupcake. Jeez, absolutely love pumpkin cupcake. It smells so good. Love pumpkin cupcake. The notes in it: whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, fresh baked cupcake with essential oils. Love it, love it, love it. I will never pay regular price for it though, but I still love it.